Good afternoon, you YouTubes, you. Another one that's new to this field, not new to the channel. The Park Zone Mosquito. You know what I'm going to say next. What anyone would say in this position. I wish someone would bring out a bigger one, or re-release this, or something. What the world needs de Havilland DH98 mosquitoes in it. So come on, you E-flights and you Duraflies and you Hobby Kings and you whatever. Give us a mosquito. Go on, yeah, you want to. In the meantime, let's get this tiny little mosquito up in the air, see what happens. And it's as uncontrollable as I remember it. Does like to sort of drop and then soar upwards. Yeah, it's flying a little bit, shall we say, unconventionally. Come out a bit closer to it. I don't like the thought of trying to bring it close to the stable block. I'll probably fly into it or get it stuck in a tree. Let's get it. Come back. Very distinctive, nice sound though, of course. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but my late stepfather flew mosquitoes in the very latter part of World War II and went out to Canada to help train Canucks to fly these things, and took part in the Berlin airlift. Flew with 11 Squadron. And I always have my stepdad in mind when I fly this. John, oh, you're watching. Really wish there was another one of these on the market. Seriously, they'd sell bucket loads of the things. A few months back, in the back of our CM&E magazine, that's Radio Control Models and Electronics in the UK, there's a for sale section, and I saw someone had a, I think it's Flightline, can't remember now, mosquito for sale, and I jumped straight onto the phone, spoke to the fella, and he said, "Oh, I'm very sorry, my dear, but I could have sold this thing 30 times over and you've missed the boat." I think it went to someone who gets the electronic subscription to RCM&E, and I think they get early dibs or first dibs on anything for sale. It does not like bumpy air, and the air is getting very bumpy. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to put it in the grass there because it's getting away from me. The wind is really picking up. See the trees moving. It's a weird place. Sometimes the trees shelter and there's a nice pocket of still air in the field, but out on the edges where there's open fenland in that direction, it can be completely different just 100 yards away. What I do hope is that I haven't broken the propellers, because nose is off, that's fine, it just does that. Yeah. It's looking all right. Oh, a bit of oh no it's not. Oh no it's not. Right, okay, let's assess the damage and put it down on the floor, because there's a lot more than I thought. All right, hold on YouTube, we'll cut to the chase. Okay YouTube, here's a damage assessment. Fortunately, we have all 6 prop blades. A little bit of damage down here to the port engine nacelle. Nothing too bad, nothing too drastic. Just needs a bit of TLC, but the worst is a crack in the fuselage right behind the wings, as you can see there. All easy to repair. But what I think I'm going to do is introduce or cut away a space where I can put some more nose weight in, because it just sort of bobs around in the air like a mad thing. And there's already a load of weight in the nose cone, and there's a 5 gram, oh there was a 5 gram lump of iron in the front. Don't know where that's gone. No, God knows where. Anyway YouTube, that flight puts the end of that, or marks the end of that. It will live to fly another day, but it needs some repair work. Oh, listen to that, somewhere out there. United States Air Force, or the Royal Air Force. We had the 4 ship of F-15 Strike Eagles go past this morning, which was very nice. Anyway YouTube, you know the drill, stay safe, keep your tin hats on, come watch another PRCA video as soon as you like please. Gina Purcell signing out, bye! Good afternoon you YouTubes, here's a little update on the Mosquito. Patched it all up, glued it all back together, and decided to get a bit radical with adding nose weight. It's clear that the way it's porpoising around, that nose weight is a problem. I don't know how they let this go into production without a correct amount of nose weight in it, because I've had to add, wait for it, 5 grams of iron in there, together with the existing amount of blue tack right in the front of the nose. I've also cut a slot deep down into the foam and put another 5 gram lump of iron in there. ignore the lack of shielding on that solder. Also the amount of glue on my finger. Nice. Anyway, there were another couple of bits of damage which I didn't notice. The tail fin had pretty much torn off, so that's setting right now. And there was a little bit of damage on the elevator. You can see in the grey section at the corner where it sort of spurs forward, so that's been repaired as well. I took the thing out, didn't record it, just to see what this would, what difference this would make. Obviously it's got a lot more penetration now and it flies a lot better. Big surprise. Short nose plane needs more weight. Shock horror probe. Anyway, there it is. It will fly again. You will fly again on film, on camera, on video, and it will fly better than it ever did. Anyway, YouTube, there it is. Work in progress. You'll see it again probably quite soon if we get another still evening or something. See you soon. Bye.